Hello everyone, my name is Hema. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a continuation of my last look. So I'm now going in with my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Psychic, and I'm applying that directly to my lid. When I first applied this, I just love the way that it came out because it looks like more than one color. Even though it does have a silver and white undertone, it also is kind of iridescent, so I do see a little bit of blue and purple, and it just looks really pretty in the light. And then I'm just going to add a little bit in the corners of my eyes to give me a little pop. Then I'm going in with the Power Gloss by Jules Smith Beauty in the shade Namaste All Day. And the purpose of this gloss is to boost creativity, harmony, and protection. And I thought that was kind of cool. And for this look, I'm just going to daisify it and add a little bit of jewelry. So just this little set of earrings and a bindi that I'm just applying with a bobby pin and just crossing those in the back so that way you can hold in place. This is my final look, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I do make new videos every Sunday. And let me know in the comments below if you do enjoy continuation videos like this, something short, simple, sweet, and a little glitz and glitter, or daisified. Let me know what you guys want to see, and tune in soon for another new video.